Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Kojojowi. This is Opeimu, and in today's video, I want to test my luck with the Canon T6, Rebel T6, EOS T6. So I've been having a lot of questions from you guys about crop frames and how they can help one shoot and not really help someone shoot too. So I want to show you guys. I don't want to say gear doesn't matter, but yeah, gear doesn't matter. You can do a lot with what you have. Right, I'm trying to prove my assistance wrong by using this to produce very quality images. So we'll be shooting the same model, Opeimu and I don't know whatever he's doing with the camera right now, but yeah, I'm using a Canon T6, EOS Rebel T6 with the 18 to 55 kit lens. Please, what are you using?
85 and Mark 4.
So 85 Sigma 85 1.4. Right, so you're not trying to do any competition here, but you're shooting the same model. We have assistants around. We have Laud Kotey, and we have a very able model, Rosalind. I'll leave everybody's handle down in the description below. Just check them out. So yeah, let's go into this and let me show you what I can do with this.
Okay, let's go.
So it's all about the shooter and not the camera. So learn how to shoot right, then it will help you. So you're ready to take some pictures. I'm still using this, right? I want to shoot at aperture priority. What mode are you shooting at? I think you're shooting manual. Yeah. So let's see what's 5D Mark 4 and I don't see versus EOS T6, but yeah, versus EOS T6. All right.
Okay, let's go.
Let me grab one and see how this looks like. Let's see. I'm shooting this at 35. It's a crop frame, all right. I miss. Beautiful.
Okay, one goes down, then I'll continue.
Alright. You know what? Drop this thing. Yeah, I need the sunburn.
How do you carry me?
Lovely. Let me shoot at 18. Rosalind? Yeah. That's not bad. So try and kind of lie down, please. Yeah, that's great. Lovely. Let me see if I can get some of the skies in there. All right, keep that. Great. Let me get an overhead shot. One last time. Okay, I think I have quite some pictures. Yeah, so most of the time I was shooting. Oh, okay, my settings was where is the display? Yeah, ISO 100 f5, just because I want the clouds in there. I want everything to be sharp. You're not looking at anything blurry or something like that, right? And I'm shooting aperture priority, so the shutter speed was moving up and down. You guys know aperture priority. If you don't know what aperture priority is, kindly go check it out. It's very great. So yeah. Oh crap! Always check your lens. I took this from my assistant and he didn't clean this thing. I think it's clean now. Oh please, let me see. Okay. Let me see compared to. So yes, the pictures let me. Apparently he didn't clean the lens. Please, I'm sorry. So cleaning the lens now, I'm actually getting cool pictures.
Yeah, alcohol and clean your lenses. Favorite.
Yeah, get alcohol and clean your lenses. Let me read you. Okay, so let's. Wow. That's beautiful. So yeah, we'll shoot at 13. That's beautiful. So I want to change from aperture priority to manual. I want to control my shutter speed. Yeah. So good. Lovely. Let me add a bit of the foreground in there.
Quick.
Yep. So now I have, thank you very much. So now I have very, very good images. I can see it's being sharp, it's clear now. I literally can't show you what's on the screen. But hey, so I'll show you the images I got from here. Probably he's about to do his, he's using the diffuser.
No, can't give this guy.
He's using the diffuser.
Take the behind the scenes.
Are you for real? I'm shooting a video. So I'll do it for you. So you just don't need. What are you guys doing?
Let's go.
Alright.
Oh no. No, you relax. Come down.
Yo, I don't know what they're doing. Alright, so like I said, I'll show you whatever I got from the Canon EOS Rebel. Honestly, don't work with people like this. So I'll show you what I got from the Canon EOS T6, EOS Rebel T6. I don't use the camera. It's a very good crop frame camera. Alright, this is yours. So it's a very good crop camera, I won't lie to you. It's good for entry level if you want to start photography. So I'll show you why you need this if you don't have enough funds to afford the Canon EOS 6D. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video and I'll show you whatever they are doing over there. Right, whatever shots they got from all this. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share. If you like this video, actually it's the YouTube suggests this to other people for them to watch. So kindly like them, comment below what you thought was useful and what you think I didn't say in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.